In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply quick calibrate your SteamVR on the play area. First things first, you want to make sure that you have your VR connected onto your computer. From there, head over to your system tray, right click on it, and then you want to click on the settings option. You can just click on the SteamVR right here, and this pop-up menu will now show up. Once inside setting, you want to scroll all the way down until you reach the developer category, and basically inside this page we have multiple categories like small space, large space, medium space, and more. You want to go ahead and select the right space for your own VR setup, and basically right beside that we then have the quick calibrate option. After clicking on it, your device will load in, and after waiting for a couple of seconds, you have successfully quick calibrated your SteamVR. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.